I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the transparency effects on the display of your iPhone. First, we'll open up our Settings app. Then we'll scroll down and select Accessibility. Then we'll select Display and Text Size. Then right here, we'll select the Reduce Transparency toggle, and this will improve contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. So if you go to your home screen, this will be the main place that this takes effect. As you can see with my dock down at the bottom, right behind all the icons, it is now a maroon. If I untoggle this and go home, you can see that it's more of a blue, which is kind of just darkening the background there. So it gives it a bit more of a contrast when I select the reduce transparency so that you can very clearly see the items there. And this will take effect generally across your background and display here, just so you can see things a little bit better.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.